Hi everybody, back here at EMD Automotive. I've got a Mercedes-Benz 2007 GL320, the big massive car here. So I'm doing a front shock absorber. This one here was all came in, the left hand side front was already kneeling down pretty much. So it's a lot of, really hard to get it out, so you got to remove the drive shaft out, the brake or the lines out. Cut this off here, get some new clamps later. Make sure you don't stuff the wiring up, very important. So just be careful, don't pry too much, just take things apart. It's more important than actually doing the job as quick as you can. So sometimes you rush a job to try to get it out. You end up breaking this and you're breaking that, or break another wire, break this here, because everything costs money. So just take your time, relax. So the drive shaft out, knuckle out, tie rod out, drop link off here, this one off just in case they break, and from top take that cover off for the actual fresh air, and that one there, a crossbar, and that bracket there that sits on top, and it's a 10mm for the little air line. It goes on top of the actual shock. Alright, brand new one. That's a brand new one there. So putting a brand new one in the car. So I'm going to do that and then do another video. This is part 1. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.